long time you came in a nice place, you know.
Yeah, just because you know I'm busy. You know I'm busy.
We're always busy.
You don't know so me
When
for
you
work.
have time for me.
This why you have...
You
this-
never have time for me, yet.
Why you spoil it? Yo, look how the sun out and the cloud now show. We want to spoil the day, yo.
You have to do better. That's how I'm saying you have to do better.
I too much busy and no work of my way, yo. Look
Oh,
how you
this-
look nice, yo. Watch out. Yo,
That's why you have to treat me good. Because I look nice.
I'm a baby and I can't, yo. Come.
You can't open the door for me.
Babes, you not even give me a chance, yo.
You never go up with the door.
Whoa. Mind your fall.
Baby, I see the door.
Yo,
Open, baby.
where's your mommy? What? Where's your mommy?
Then Rolly, how do baby look like you saw?
Yo, stop your foolishness. What you mean?
No, a year pitney.
Stop, babes, one tear.
No man. From day up your problem you give me no. Oh, the baby look like you so Rolly. Look how we go out and have a nice time and look what you do. Baby come run up to you just like that. Just like that, Rolly. Nothing no go so, that's not a coincidence. Nothing no go so.
So you see the baby's a stranger danger.
And she play with you so?
It's strange.
And I laugh.
Probably our parents that teach her stranger
What
danger.
parents
I don't know.
What parents then? Me wait for your answer, you know. So you not answer me. But they wait for you to answer me, you know. I hear pitney. Can't fool me, Rolly. You can't fool me.
So it sounds like you're gonna cry. So one
Because
tear.
all you do is hurt me. All you do is hurt me. I'm tired of it now. I'm tired of it. I hear pitney. And if you tell me the truth, today.
Who is your daddy?
And don't let me get vexed out here. Oh, because you're not going to like
Babes,
it.
lower
You're
your
not
voice.
going to like it. I'm
Lower
not
your
doing my voice. You're not going to like it. Oh,
Lower your voice. Go out and I date. Come on, baby.
me no
I watch you.
business. Me no business.
You embarrass me in front of the baby.
Me no business.
One tear.
I hear it.
And I'm my baby.
Stepping look like this now.
darling. I was looking for
See,
you.
see her father there. See her father. Look there. See her father there.
No. And our father that. Our father brown and she black.
Oh,
Eh?
my eyebrow. What are you talking about?
Look there. See him eyebrow them up.
Yo, talk to her now.
Yo, they need to do a DNA test now.
What kind of thing? I know my baby.
Yo. See one up here? Don't make a piece like to go to the DNA test now.
Hello. I'm going with my child. Have a nice day.
Trouble. No boy, you Pandorahh. Whoa. Novoo. Broke them nooks. Every target take.
Like, share, subscribe right now.